If you're experiencing issues with Roblox voice chat, this guide will help you troubleshoot and boost your voice chat functionality. Follow these steps to resolve common problems. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your device meets the necessary requirements for voice chat. Roblox voice chat typically requires a compatible device, a stable internet connection, and updated software. Step 2. Enable voice chat in settings. Open Roblox and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the voice chat option and make sure it is enabled. If you do not see this option, ensure your account is verified and meets the age requirements. Step 3. Test your microphone. Before diving deeper, test your microphone to ensure it is working properly. You can do this by using a voice recording application or another communication platform to check if your microphone catches sound. Step 4. Adjust privacy settings. Check your account privacy settings on Roblox. Make sure that voice chat is allowed for your account and that you have not restricted communication with friends or other players. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can help fix any corrupted files or settings that may be affecting voice chat functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and enhance your Roblox voice chat experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.